Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Ethereum price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna see Ethereum on the all-time history and of course on the micro level to see what we might expect next. So starting on the all-time history, quick reminder, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 impulse wave 1 or wave A is finished there for Ethereum, where we might have of course a very long sideways correction after this massive impulse. We have a 3 ways down as an ABC in W, and then potential 3 ways up as an X, and very likely 3 ways down, 3 ways up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to finish an expanding flat in a wave Y here. Now this expanding flat is our bear market, of course, a deeper bear market that it might reach, of course, lower prices, at least taking the low here, 1,373. Because by taking this low, also, of course, it might confirm that we are in a potential WXNY to take, of course, again this low, which is very, very close to the 1,000, and between, of course, the 861 and the 1,114. That will be, of course, in a possibility of double 1, 2, internally 3, 4, and a 5, a 4, and a 5, that it might still reach, of course, this target. Toward the downside, of course, for Ethereum, this is a bear market. Now, in case we are not bearish anymore, there is a probability, of course, that we are in a 1, 2 here, and that this is a wave 2 there, unfolding for Ethereum, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, continuation toward the upside here, meaning you have finished, of course, your W, X, and a Y. Over there, the wave Y is done here in 3 ways only. Also expanding a flat, as an ABC, and then pushing for higher here in a wave 1, and then 2, and then 3, 4, 5, continuation toward the upside. Let's dive inside it, of course, on the 4 hours chart. On the 4 hours chart, we are looking at the top here for double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. Potential wave 1 finish there, and we're looking for a correction. A very deep one, which it can be, of course, an ABC zigzag or a W, X, and a Y. However, if you are in a W, X, and a wave Y, it is done and finished. It should be, of course, done because this is a 3 ways zigzag already finished. And if this is a signal of strength here, then we still require, of course, higher prices. And we need, of course, a signal of bullish here, meaning, of course, something as a 1, 2, and then wave 3, 4, and a 5. We're gonna dive inside it. But in case we are in an A, B, and a C here, the wave C might be a 1, 2, 3, and then this is your wave 4, which it can look for higher to finish up this correction, and then push toward the downside in a wave 5 again. By all means, of course, you would like to see on the 1 hour chart here in this correction, one more move toward the upside, preferably, of course, in both case scenarios. Why? Because if we are in a B, and a C, this is obviously 3 ways toward the upside. We cannot consider a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 in any case, because wave 5 in an expanding diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 5 is longer than wave 3, that's fine, but wave 3 is shorter than wave 1, which is not allowed. If you are in diagonal, contracting diagonal, that means, of course, you are in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wave 5 is longer than wave 3, which is not allowed. Turning this into an A, B as a running flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave C as a zigzag. Meaning, if this is a zigzag, that means, of course, corrective. But at the end, of course, it finish a wave Y, can be. But this wave 5 is also finished in W, X, and a Y. It is very, very rare and uncommon to see, of course, a W, X, and a Y in a wave Y. Because, of course, this is very, very complex. And that it might reflect, of course, the market psychology right now. But, I still believe that we might still see one more high. So there is a probability here for one more high for Ethereum, of course, at least in a diagonal wave 5. In case that this end up as a wave 5, of course, the ABC should be there, by the way. That means, of course, we push down, of course, for a new low after it. In case, of course, that we push directly for a new low here, meaning 1, 2, and 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, and then this is another wave 4, and you're looking for a wave 5 here. It might be, of course, finishing the impulse, wave 1, wave 2, and then, of course, 3, 4, and a 5 toward the downside. Yeah, so to finish this impulse as double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5, wave 1, wave 2, 3 ways, and pushing 3, 4, and a 5 towards our target to finish this final drop potentially here. Before taking the low, of course, if we are lucky, we're gonna preserve, of course, this area without taking this low, which is 1,383 here. This means, of course, lower prices. Now, if you preserve, of course, the things around the 886 here and before the 886, preferably, meaning taking only the low there and pushing for higher, that might be, of course, a trigger for a bull run for Ethereum. Basically, if this happens, yeah, it can be, of course, a short wave 5 here without taking the 886, preferably. If the 886, you still have a probability to push for higher, but in a diagonal, potentially more than an impulse. So this is regarding Ethereum. Now, if we are very bullish here, definitely you want to break the 1-to-1 fib level, the 2,237 in a very bullish scenario, meaning, of course, you want to move here with a wave 3, 4, and a 5. And so simply transition of this diagonal from ending to leading 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, meaning 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 towards the upside. This is a bull run then. But yeah, we'll see, of course, what's gonna be. Now on the lower time frame, 15-minute chart, you can see as well, this is still a little bit weird price action for me, but still can be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5, a finished impulse. Don't forget that you are looking as well at an A, and then wave B here 3 ways, and wave C, which it might unfold something towards the downside. That was it for Ethereum. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.